Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for KSCraft. I am guest designing for Hannah for this month, for June, and the theme this month is ice cream and fruit and just lots of nice summery kind of dies. So I'm so excited to be playing with these dies again. So I just have two projects I wanted to share today, and one of them uses a few different dies. So I'll show you everything that I used, take some measurements. If you have any questions, let me know. I will link these dies down below in the description box as well on the AliExpress site. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon yet, but you could go ahead and search KSCraft on Amazon and you can see what is there right now. So the first die set we're going to start with is this one, and this is called the Ice Cream Sundae Shaker. So it's so cute for summer, for birthdays. You could put on tags, on cards, you know, whatever you want to do with your shaker. So it comes with this background piece, which you layer everything on top of, which is so nice because sometimes when you get dies that you have to like kind of paper piece, you don't get a background die. So it's kind of hard to fit everything together or hold everything together. So this piece holds all the pieces together. And then this is the background for the dish part, and that's going to be where the shaker is. Here's the frame for that. And so you will cut this out of your pattern paper and your foam board or foam, whatever you're using to make a shaker. It comes with 3 ice cream scoops, which is nice because you could, you know, put them all through your die cutting machine at the same time if you want to. It comes with this cute stitched like topping for your ice cream, a cherry, and a cute spoon too, a really nice ice cream spoon. So I used that for this project. I also used the ice cream shadow words, which I've shown in another video, but this is also from this month's release, and it comes with these words: ice cream, sweet, treat, creamery, yum, and frozen. And I use sweet and treat, so it comes with the words themselves and shadows. I didn't use shadows in this project, but they are there. And then I used this older tag set from KSCraft from October 2022. I will link this down below as well if it's still there on the site. But this is the nesting tags with scalloped edge, and I love this tag set. It makes huge tags, as you can see. The smaller one, or the smallest one, is a good size, you know, in and of itself. And then you get to the larger one, and you can, you know, do so much with that. And then each one comes with the scallop piece and then the stitch piece. So you can use the scallop piece if you want, or you don't have to, but it looks nice with it. And then I used this paper pad. This is from Joann's. It's called Dessert First. It's by Park Lane. I've had it for a while, but I did see it recently at Joann's, so I did want to show it to you. So here is my tag, and it's nice and big. I used the medium-sized tag, and isn't that cute? What I really love about this tag is the background paper, the pink and white stripe. I think that's just so perfect for an ice cream like sundae kind of theme. So I used that, of course. I did use the scallop edge for the white background, and then the shaker. Oh, I just love this little shaker. It came together really easily. I added some shaker bits like little strawberry slices, some stars, some diamond dots, and then some tiny little gemmies as well. The background piece is just like a random polka dot. And then for the ice cream scoops, I used different papers from this paper pad. This one has little cherries on it. You can't really see them because of the ice or topping on them, but they're there. This one is just like a gold polka dot, and then that one has strawberries on it. And I used some kind of iridescent paper in white and pink to make the toppings. I used some gold paper, some matte foil paper to make the spoon. And for that sweet and treat from the ice cream shadow words. Like I said, I didn't use the shadows, but I did cut them out twice and just staggered them a little to give them a little bit of weight to them. I didn't want to add the shadows because I thought it would take too much away from the ice cream sundae itself. It really didn't need the shadows, so that's a good option with shadow words. You can use them or not. And then I wanted a little bit more interest to the background of the tag itself, so I just glued on a whole bunch of diamond dots, some white and aqua ones. So I think that just adds some texture to it and just a little more whimsy, you know. So let me measure this ice cream sundae for you. The dish from side to side is just about 3 inches. And then let me just measure the dish first. It's about 1 5/8. And then if you add the ice creams, I think I put mine a little bit above where the background piece is, if I remember correctly, but I'll just measure the top of my ice cream to the bottom, and that is almost 3 inches. And I did add a cherry on top, and I did cut the stem down a little bit because it was kind of interfering with the word sweet, but I did color that with some gold pen too, just to, you know, make it a little bit different. And then I tied it with some aqua sheer ribbon, and I think this will be really nice on like a summer gift basket, or like I said, birthday. I mean, ice creams go with birthday, right? Or ice cream goes with birthday. So yeah, that is my first project. I love how it came out. I just love the colors, and it looks really cute to me. All right, so I have one more project to share with you today, and that one we're going to be using this die set. Here, let me move this over. This one is the ice cream truck, and this is so cute. I've seen some other really sweet projects from the other design team members. So it cuts out the silhouette or the side view of an ice cream truck, and then there's a door layering piece that cuts out the window. There's stitching around it. This is a shadow for the words ice cream, which are right there, and you could stick that on top of your little truck. And then it comes with wheel layering pieces there as well. There's like a light on the front of your car. Here's a side panel layering piece, and this is this goes on like the ledge of your window. And then it cuts out all these cute little ice creams, and you can layer them on top of each other, so you'll have a different color for your stick. And then it has this piece here, so you could cut that out of a different color. So it would be like, you know, if you wanted to make vanilla ice cream, you could cut that out of white and glue that on top, so you'd still see the brown stick at the bottom. And then these are layering pieces for the awning, which is so cute. So I can't wait to show you what I made. I made this cute little card, which I think will be great for birthdays. So this is how it came out, and I was just feeling like a shabby chic kind of card for this one. I don't know why, but I do like how it came out. I think it's so sweet. I used a lot of papers from Etsy. This floral one is one of my favorites from Arala Miha's shop. And then I always use these. You guys know that the heart papers and then the ginghams, I cut them, or I print them off of Etsy as well. Those are from Color Vive Studios on Etsy, and yeah, so I always recommend them. They come in all different colors and stuff. You get all the colors at once. And then this red and white plaid I had in my stash. I don't think I printed that one out. So I used all those, and I did put the word ice cream on top. I love how that looks. I did layer it on foam board. I cut it out of foam board too, just to give it some dimension. I cut the banner, which comes, I don't think I mentioned that. It comes with the banner, so I cut that out. I was thinking about like layering with, you know, every other one a different paper, but there's so many different patterns going on in this card. I figured I would just leave it as gold, and I think that's effective like that. And then you can see what I mean about the ice cream cones. You know, you cut out the base in a brown or whatever color you want your cone to be, and then you just layer on top of them some ice cream colors. And those are all like shimmer papers, white, pink, and red. So I think those look really nice with the different colors of the little truck. Isn't that little mousey so cute? That is a sticker. Remember that collection that Joann's came out with last year? I don't remember what it was called, but it was like all the mice and strawberries, and I just got everything from that collection. So I wanted to add something cute into the driver's seat of my little truck. So that I thought was the best option, and he's holding a little strawberry, so I just love him. And then the wheels, I did the layering up as well. These cloud dies I had in my stash, the square scallop die I had in my stash as well, and I did use an edge die to cut the grass out of green shimmer paper. I mean, trucks don't usually go on the grass, but you know, artistic license, you could do whatever you want. And then here in the corners, I thought it needed a little something, so I glued on these little flower buttons, and then I added some enamel dots, some yellow enamel dots on the center, and I made my own instant little cabochon. So I think this is so cute. I just love this card. So let's measure the little truck, and it's a nice petite size. It's over 3.5 inches, maybe 3 5/8. And then top to bottom, not including the words, it's about 2 and almost 2.5. And if you include the words, it is about 2 7/8. So really, really cute. If you didn't want to make it an ice cream truck, you could leave that part off, you know, put something else different on the shelf, maybe make it like a fall themed, or, you know, change the colors to coordinate with that. You could even do like a taco truck or whatever you have little dies for, or little cabochons. I saw Tony, hi Tony if you're watching, who's Craft Purge, she put like actual cabochons on there. So I thought that was a great idea to use your cabochons. So yeah, that's my card. And on the inside, I just added another sticker from that collection and another die cut. And I didn't put a sentiment in there because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to say. But when I'm ready for a birthday card, or I don't know, some kind of summer theme card, I'll have one ready to go and I could just stamp my sentiment in there. So yeah, those are my little projects for today, my ice cream theme ones. I usually wait till I have more projects, but I wanted to show these in detail because I think they are pretty detailed and they're worth a good look, I think. So I hope you like them. Any questions, please let me know. Everything will be linked down below, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.